guys, welcome to our channel Yutika Study Solution. Today we will be talking about the business studies class 11 syllabus, and we'll be also going with the topic that is chapter 1 foundation of business. I'll be telling you what is the syllabus and so that you can get a clear idea of it. There are two parts, part A and part B. In class 11, if we talk about business studies, as I told, there are two parts. First part is part A, foundation of business, and the second part is finance and trade. There are two parts. Simultaneously we will be covering all the chapters in this app. Plus you will be getting all the notes. You will be also provided some MCQs and unit tests for every chapter so that your concept clarification is better and you can perform good grades in your exams. So if I'll take part A, that is foundation of business, you have to understand what is business, what is trade, and what is commerce. If I'll take each topic one by one, first topic what I'll be dealing is business. First of all, let's understand what is the meaning of business. If we talk about business, if you see the word closely, you will get the meaning very easily. Business, that is to be busy in such a work which provides you some return. Here return is mainly the profit, because no one can consider that the business will be in loss. It happens that it can be as at loss also sometimes, but you have to keep it in mind that you will be profited, so that you work so hard, you are busy all the time, 24/7 you are busy. If we talk about what is the difference between business and a job has a fixed time and a fixed pay, but a business doesn't have a fixed time and a fixed pay. It can be loss also, it can be profit also. But if you talk about the job, the return is considered as salary. If you talk about the business, the return is considered as profit or loss. So here we come to a conclusion of the meaning of business. Business is any activity which is done in order to earn some money. The things are performed, inputs are taken, and so that outputs are made in order to fetch some money out of it, so that you can have a good life. This is business. If I talk about the characteristics, one by one points can be taken and it could be understood. Chapter wise we will be dealing with all the characteristics of business in the next video. Next, I'll be dealing in the second topic of this video, that is commerce. Commerce, the subject what you have taken. Commerce, the stream what you have chosen, means anything which is related to trade or aids to trade. Now, commerce is a submerged of these two words. What two words I said? I said trade, and second I said aids to trade. Now, what is trade? Let's come to the meaning of trade. Trade simply means buying and selling. If I am taking some materials, I have bought some materials from someone and I am selling it into another person, that is trade. But here, if I am, for example, I am taking 10 apples, okay, I have bought some 10 apples of rupees 240 from A person. We are taking the buyer as B and the person from whom we are buying it is A, means the shopkeeper name is A. I am purchasing from A, okay, I am here B, I am purchasing from A and he is giving me 10 apples at the rate of rupees 240, okay. I am B here, I am selling these 10 apples to C. Will I be selling it in 240? The answer should come in your mind as no. Why? Because if I'll sell it in 240 only, what things I'll get in my hand? I have to sell it more than 240, say to 300 or 350, whatever margin you take, okay. So this is trade. Now let's come to the meaning of auxiliaries to trade or aids to trade. Whatever services you take to facilitate trade is called as auxiliaries to trade. For example, if I am transporting it to a vehicle that is aids to trade. That is that vehicle or a tractor which I am using to make my apples available to see. That is what transportation. See, this transportation is aids to trade. Okay. For example, if I take banking, okay, I have taken 250 rupees from my bank account and I am buying it from A. So this is banking. This also comes in aids to trade. Banking, transportation, warehousing, all these facilities come as aids to trade in our first chapter. So guys, this was about the introductory part of foundation of business, where I have in brief told you what is business, what is aids to trade, what is trade, and what is commerce. We will be dealing in very detail these things chapter wise. So if you have understood this topic, tell me in the comment section you have understood, and join us in our app so that we can have this chapter wise summary, and we will be providing you notes, we will be providing you unit tests, we will be also giving you facilitating you with enough notes so that you can complete your exam well, you can have all the knowledge what is required to pass this exam. So guys, thank you so much for this. Till then, keep studying, keep learning. Thank you.